Okay, we're live.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't know if it's working. We look.
Should have set my screen size to. Like the thingy.
Yeah, the thingy.
Base canvas resolution, output scale resolution. What am I supposed to do there?
Um,
60 frames a second. Hell no. 30
okay,
frames a second.
we're live. Okay, it worked. We're live.
Hmm?
It was like giving me an error, but now it's working. Join staff chat 1, Beacoff.
Bake Off. Great
He's
British Bake Off.
doing a movie night, I believe.
A British baking show.
And hosting it?
Wait, what did you say, Cora?
He's probably doing a movie night right now.
Then hosting it.
He's hosting it.
Okay.
God.
I hit the go live button. Oh, I have to verify
Is
my
it-
account. Okay.
Is the go live button like blue?
Hmm?
Or is it like disabled?
I have to verify myself apparently. I'm getting a verification message on my phone. Which is, say it out loud, guys. You can dox me.
Testing. I accidentally just
YouTube
opened
account
Slack.
is now verified. Fantastic. Go live. How does this work? No way. Rating 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to activate your account for live streaming. Right for there.
Well, you can okay. You're gonna have to rebrand your old account. So like unlist all the videos that you want private, right? And change the name. You can
Right.
change it back after or something.
This is bullshit.
That's the easy way to do it. You can mass select a bunch of videos to private or unlist it, and then they won't be public there.
Yeah, no, I know how that works, but it's just I just don't want to do it.
Oh.
Oh, but I have another account. Oh, is that verified? Let's see. No subscribers. That's sad. If I do create, go live. Don't tell me I have to verify this account. What? Oh, maybe. Oh, does this work? Wait. Stream. New stream. Yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. Get a title.
Did you get that far before?
Streaming with Yakovlium. Yes, you what? What did you put your description to? The category or whatever.
Entertainment.
Entertainment.
Yeah, I think that's the default. It doesn't really matter. Nobody's gonna find it. You just have to
Age
invite people.
restriction. 18 plus.
No. That's gonna make it say age restricted. Like you can't view the
Yeah.
video unless you're 18.
So you wouldn't be able to view the video.
I wouldn't get the viewers.
No, but you yourself wouldn't be able to.
Oh, I mean,
Your own.
well,
See? Yeah. Okay.
technically, I'm not gonna disclose, but you know.
You're older than you say you are. Usually works the other way around. Okay, I have a stream key.
What the
Fudge?
fudge?
Flippin' Nor.
Okay.
Service, YouTube or YouTube Gaming, primary YouTube ingest server. I would say so, yes. Stream link, paste. Key, paste. Okay.
That's it. I think my Discord shows
I
it.
like
Actually,
a dry run.
I'm gonna enable it on my.
Oh, I also gotta set my microphone. Audio input capture. Audio input capture. That's gonna be my Black Hole 16 channel. Test, test, test. Awesome. Then I gotta set up so that it also picks up the Discord audio. Right? Yes. Okay, say something.
Hello?
That's not working. Hang on. Say something.
Hello, hello, hello?
Hello, hello.
Reach our Discord
Fantastic.
account.
Audio input capture. Rename this. Say that this is.
Hello? Hello? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
Fine, perfect. What should I use as my screen size? You don't know.
Oh, it's not showing the thingy.
What thing?
On my Discord profile, it's not showing that I'm streaming to blah blah.
Oh.
Okay. Cool.
All right. So let's see how well my connection will hold this. I don't think it will work like at all. Can you say something?
Hello? Something?
Okay. That's perfect.
You send me the stream link?
Yes. When I have it, sure. Is it just no? It wouldn't be this. Stream URL. No, this is just a stream URL.
Oh, I actually found your channel by googling.
Did you just write RickyB98?
And no, I did Ricardo Bello live stream.
No, it's RickyB98.
Oh, is that not you? 81 subscribers, dude. That's you.
Yeah, that's not me. Mine has no subscribers whatsoever.
But you're
It's not that. That's not where I'm streaming. I'm streaming on
Oh, is that your channel though?
RickyB98. It is my channel, but it's not
Oh.
a channel I
81
use.
subs.
Yeah.
There's your windsurfing, windboarding, border surfing. I don't know.
Surfing.
What was
Somebody called it waterboarding at some point.
it is waterboarding. Like you are boarding on the water.
Something else.
Is it waterboarding?
I can't find your YouTube.
Okay, let's see. Well, maybe if I start
Never mind,
streaming,
found
you'll.
it. With
Okay,
yeah.
so I hit the start button.
You used to play on.
Yeah.
You used to play on
This is
Minecraft
excellent connection.
or on Skykid.
No.
Yeah, this is you.
Why?
Are you 16?
Really? I used to. I guess.
2017.
Really?
Yeah.
Seems like
I
I'm
guess
live.
the seems rough.
You see the thing?
You're the same age as Ruffarina.
And they don't sound like a 16-year-old.
I hear myself.
I don't see it live. It says waiting. It says scheduled. Yeah, it says 4:53. Oh wait. It just says waiting.
Is it? Oh, they'll have to start it in some way.
If you click go live.
Oh
the
no,
top
I
right,
haven't.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm scared. Do I have to do that?
Yeah, you just click go live.
Okay. Switch my channel already.
I am aware.
It's going live. Dot dot dot. Okay. I'm live now.
No, I was about to say, you sound like you're 14.
Yeah, I know. I'm aware.
Hey, don't pick on her.
No.
I accidentally hit someone.
Nora's queen.
I accidentally hit someone.
What's DVR? Is that like
Like recording.
Okay.
You know. It's like it
People
records
always
it to a
start
video
and
after it's
stop.
done.
Okay.
My cat is
Live
trying to
on
knock
your
my
channel,
laptop
streaming
off
with
my
Nick
desk.
Oh,
Leo.
damn.
Yeah, watch my stream.
Email.
I'm out.
Sorry?
I couldn't have.
You should watch my stream.
Did I?
Attack you, Ricky.
We do a stream where I watch your stream and you watch mine.
I'm gonna switch my texture pack because I think
It'd be
it's making
sick.
me lag.
Let's see.
Hey, Ricky.
Yeah, I can give you a base. TP, sure.
What do I look for?
No traps.
What?
Wanna see the
What do I look for on YouTube? Like to find you, Jacob, and your surname.
No,
What is it?
that.
That
Discord.
what?
Discord. DM.
Discord.
Oh, did you not get the
Discord
ping because you're in
DM.
streamer mode?
I did not get the ping because I'm in streaming mode.
Where are you?
I'm in my room.
No, not that. You always say that
Putting
when I give you like a link. You're like, where are you?
putting foot RickyB98.
Featuring.
I know what that means.
Okay, yeah.
Thank
no, I
you.
couldn't tell.
numbers?
For
You have
Shut it, F
some latency.
Yeah, it's like 30 seconds, I think.
Many?
What?
30 seconds.
Maybe, I think. It's a
Oh,
minute.
that's
I don't know.
insane.
I don't know how to change. Like, it's not possible to make it not that. I have it 0
Yeah.
in OBS and I have it 0 in the stream.
You're watching right now. I'm guessing that's me and you.
What?
On your channel it says 2 watching now, which I'm guessing it's me and you.
Probably.
Fantastic. What about mine? Mine has 1 concurrent viewer.
It says waiting.
It's just me.
Oh, never mind. I see you. Possible to make it not. I have it 0 in OBS and I have it 0
Yeah, it works.
in the.
You're watching right now. Yeah, this is how it works. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Stations disabled. God damn
No,
it.
this is what you do.
Oh, what the hell?
You F climb and you F
Language.
climb.
Why are you
F
claiming
climb,
and
then F on climb.
Why are you in
Language, for fuck's sake. Okay, we're streaming the anti-cheat.
Yeah, sure. Do you have it?
I'm pulling it. Do I actually have? No, I don't have it. Let's see. Wondering if I open GitLab.com and the page name is space, because I put like a regex that it streams everything that has space in it.
Oh, yeah. It
Wonder
will.
if,
It will. Hold on, wait. I'll do it for you. I'll just send you the URL to clone it, okay?
That's fine. I just grabbed it. I don't
Oh.
really mind. Anyway.
It does
But let
do
me
space
check.
in it.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, amazing.
Amazing.
Right, it's copied. Oh, okay, whatever.
Amazing.
And
Yeah.
wonder if,
It will. It will. Hold on, wait. I'll do it for
all right, IntelliJ.
Alright,
What was
you. Using Osu.
no, League.
Oh.
Lol.
Oh, bro.
Lol.
New comment on Minecraft. What's that? New comment? Oh, come on. You should do Hypixel now. Okay. All right. That thing is that I have email notifications on for comments. Since I cheat, open.
Oof.
Great.
What? Quality stream.
Oh, bro.
In order for you to get the changes that I make, do I have to push and you pull?
What do you mean? I mean, generally.
I mean,
but
but it's
what do
kind
you
of
mean?
inconvenient. Like, with Team Hub, that kind of thing. Kind of inconvenient.
Yeah, because I can only see you editing code live.
Yeah,
but I
because
cannot
I'm just
interact with
making
it.
like a bunch of commits. Let me make sure I'm on dev. Or we can make a new branch called stream and then merge that to dev.
Okay, sure.
Oh, that's not a bad idea, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm a master actually.
Let me see. I go on YouTube from my phone. Why appear in my recommended? Let's see. Not appear in my
YouTube.
recommended. Ooh, Jay Foreman was live.
No idea.
I just searched for RickyB98 on YouTube, and it just doesn't appear. Oh, I
worked
have
for
to.
me.
Okay, there we go. That works. Okay, so the first result is coding feet RickyB98. So that's your stream. And then like 5 videos down, it's mine.
Okay. Because I had your name in it though. I have your name in the title. Title's more important than channel metadata.
Sure. What should I call it? Actually, it should
Ah.
probably be something more
Oh.
like coding with Jacob.
Coding feed, Jacob. The same thing I do.
Oh, the same thing, just reverse.
Yeah. No, not reverse. Same thing, but with my name.
How do you do this? Oh, I'm lost already. Live streaming. There you go. I would click here, edit.
Thank you, sir, for the power 5 bow.
Coding
Just stream with
foot.
Aiden likes pancakes.
I
17.
have 600.
I think I'm
He
in
likes
that.
pancakes. Really?
I think I'm in that actually.
I don't think so, but
Not at the time
we'll
of.
go with
I
that.
think I saw my name. No, not in the stream, but at the time. in chat.
You have a stream branch?
Yeah. Just
Push it.
Oh, I did. No,
So
just
at least
poll and then
down.
check out stream.
There you go.
Yeah, we can just make as many commits as we want in there with ambiguous names.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll push or we'll check it. Sorry, merge to dev when we're done.
Yep. What are we doing here?
You're in packet listener.
Yeah, I am, but like I'm just browsing.
Oh, you should get a feel for it before we do anything.
But now you have checks speed. You only have
Yep.
speed checks. They're like speed bumps. Check speed, do not check speed pushing over level. Is that actually a config entry? Oh my goodness.
But yeah, you can't really. There's not really a way to simplify that.
I guess.
And also, this is for like server owners, right?
So like they need to know.
Yeah, it's not for us too. Well, actually, I don't know. It might be for server owners. Might be for a certain server that we all know of.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, we're not allowed to mention.
Well, we can. I just don't want to.
No, we're not allowed to. Okay.
Cool. Just made a change.
We're gonna do this all the fucking time.
Yeah.
Make a change and pull.
Make a cron tab that pulls every few minutes.
What's this math expression you have here?
Oh, yeah. I really want to make
like,
use of what's it called? I want to make use of JavaX scripting. So that's pretty
Jesus Christ.
sick. You see it?
I do see it.
Yeah.
I just what I don't see is the point of it.
Well, you can modify the script and stuff. Like if you want to change something or you have something inconsistent, you can change the script.
You probably wanna wait.
Why don't we just make all of them math expression?
Yeah, but don't you want to load it like before?
What do you mean?
It's just like
mean,
oh, this
calculate-
evaluates like a script.
But the ping is dynamic. Are you saying you want to load? You want to calculate beforehand?
Well, I'm assuming that this thing parses some code and sort of keeps it somewhere, and then you can evaluate that expression that has been quote unquote compiled.
This expression will be evaluated for each time the check is called, because the ping changes. It's not static.
But is it parsed every time as well?
Well, not really.
To me, it looks like it because you're just doing input. Ah, no, eval. Okay. Well.
Okay, well we
I
can
don't know.
okay, fine. We can change this, and then well here, can you see my live thing?
See your team hub live.
Yeah, team up.
Yeah.
Right, we do that. Well, I'll just do a hold on. Actually, I'm doing a new each time. I don't know. Should I take out the expression implementation and just make it static? We can have those two lines up there already initialized, and then use the method to get anytime we want it to evaluate it.
Not really sure what even that thing does. So
Well, okay. Every time the speed check is called, I do new math expression.
okay.
So
And what does that do?
it initializes a new math expression, which gets the
Fine.
script manager what? Speed
Yeah,
check
no,
A
okay.
79.
You know, I get that.
Is
What
that
I don't
okay?
understand is
Are you against that?
I don't understand what it's gonna do afterwards.
I was going to say we can remove the implementation of expression and just create a static class for math expression. And initialize the script engine manager and the actual script engine, and not each time we call it. So we only do it once and then evaluate each time.
Well, I have no idea what we're trying to figure out.
I thought you were against like the performance implications. You said like
Yes, but I don't understand what we're doing with the expression. What are we calculating?
we're calculating whatever the expression is. For this specifically, the key is ping multiplier expression. So we're determining if
Okay,
we
the
should
check
check if the
speed,
ping is below or above,
okay.
whatever. We're saying take into account the ping, but do this to it.
Right. Yeah, but I guess you can keep.
Oh
the
no,
engine
no, no.
loaded.
We're using ping to so if somebody moves a block but their ping is 100, right? We're gonna add 0.1 to it based on the expression.
Yeah. Okay, get it. But yeah, I guess you can keep the manager and the engine loaded. You know, instead of initializing it every time.
Oh yeah, that's what I was asking. Should I remove the
Oh, yeah,
implementation of
yeah.
expression?
I think so.
I'll just remove that then.
You're having okay.
What?
The expression interface isn't actually representing an expression. It's just representing an expression engine or an expression parser or something.
Yeah.
It's not really right. It's not like representing an expression
Yeah.
in itself.
Yeah. It's the parser, not the actual expression. Because the expression is just a string. There's not really anything to, abstract.
Maybe you had something like an expression that goes like x plus y, and then you sort of try to find a way to parse that and keep it loaded in some way, and then you say, okay, evaluate this with x and y.
Well, the engine just evaluates a piece of text. It's not really a way.
Yeah, I
Like, it's not
understand
really
that.
a reason to make it our own, custom structure.
I know, but at the same time, okay.
Okay, there, and then I could do that. Then go here. Hmm. Oh, maybe do a singleton instance, I think. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the right way to do it?
Yeah. Oh, I can't edit the file. Put a space there. Ah.
That?
OCD. Yeah, thanks.
Oh wait, I don't have to do.
And do else.
Right?
Yeah. Yep.
Cool.
Fantastic.
Okay, and then go here. Speech check A. Get instance. Okay. Oh, actually, I don't even do that. There's no reason to do that.
You what?
Oh wait, I was implemented my own thing to not initialize it each time. But that just makes it simpler. In speech check A, I had a private math expression up there. So I don't have to do that. I don't care. I can just do that.
Okay.
I don't need that singleton at all.
Like I have no context for this, so yeah.
Actually, I do need the singleton so I can initialize it. Right?
But you don't need static actually. You don't need the.
Well, I'll
those
just do
two
new
variables
then.
should be static.
In the main class, should I just do new math expression?
The singleton was fine. You just had to get rid. Okay, you can. Do
Actually, never mind.
whatever.
I know. Yeah, you're right. You're right. For that. What, then just
Let's
get
see.
instance?
Yeah, exactly like that, and then you just keep
Yeah.
the two.
And we can
You don't
make
need static on those two variables. You don't need static
mean
on
that?
line 29, line 34.
29. And then
Yeah,
not
and
the
34.
method can't be static either. Or it shouldn't be, right?
Math shouldn't be static. What math? Yeah, it should. No, that's how it should be.
What?
I think.
Not static? If evaluate's
What are
not
you
static.
referring to?
Okay. So evaluate shouldn't be static. The method inside math
Oh.
expression. Right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm. Look at him whack all the Java docs.
Yeah, I like Java doc. Okay, cool. Do you want to do a
So
check
for
or something?
example, yeah, what check would you want?
Fly?
I'm gonna make the package for fly.
Let me push.
You extend check.
Okay, pull.
This is awful.
Go with the pulling.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, come on.
There,
There you
the actual check is in like fly check A. The something that extends check is just a proxy for creating the subchecks that actually do the work.
Mm-hmm.
So it could be A, B, C, D. You know. You add version in that method. The constructor.
You say, for example, fly check A. I don't know. This would be a check version.
Yeah.
I don't like your naming, but it's fine.
Don't. You can change it. Right click. Refactor.
Does check version extend check? No.
Shouldn't, right?
Depends.
The check version is not a check, it's just a proxy that be added to check.
It's not representing a check version. Representing a check that has a version.
So we shouldn't change the naming scheme of check version, but we have to change the naming scheme of check because speed check A is an actual check, but the speed check is not a real check.
Might. Yeah, I would say that flight check A, for example, and speed check A, those should be the checks.
Yeah.
I don't know what flight check is. What are you using the speed check for?
Check to check if they're speed hacking.
Yeah, no, I know what they're for. I'm trying to figure out like, so you have checklist, add new speed check. You have okay, so you have add version inside. Okay.
There could be different methods of detecting speeds. That's why there are multiple, not just one.
Yeah. Okay. So you're just copying whatever you have here.
Also, there's a behavior listener, and that handles, like, we're building a model of kind of what the player's doing. So I'm using the behavior class, which is there's a
So
listener for.
why do you have a user in the check constructor?
Because a check isn't a check is applied for each user that's on the server. They get their own check class.
Okay, that's gonna be a fuck ton of classes loaded at the same time.
Well, I looked at, I used a fake player thing to load it a bunch of times. I didn't see any performance stuff. It's mostly asynchronous calls anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and it's not enabled all the time. There's certain times when checks are enabled.
Okay.
I also didn't really make this entire model. I kind of copied it from Present to Anti-Cheat, which was actually removed from GitHub. I think 2 years ago, maybe. This is an old model. Obviously, I changed it.
It's a protocol lib packet event, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like register what packets you want to receive or something?
Oh, you're looking for that? That's in listener. Listener. Yeah, packet listener.
So every check receives every packet.
What?
Every check receives every packet, basically.
No. Look in packet. Oh, you're in that. You're in it. It depends. Depends what packet is received. Like I get to say, for speed check A, I want the position packet to be call
okay.
it. And you can add like if like, under this certain circumstance. It's not every packet, just the specific ones. You can add a listener for anything.
So you would do something like
For fly, you do position as well.
Sorry?
For fly, you do position too because it's movement related. Oh, I should probably add a sub package. Checks movement speed. Checks movement fly.
It makes sense to have one packet listener registration per.
Do you think it does or doesn't? You don't have to. You can still
First
put.
of all, I'm thinking that.
Sorry,
First
what?
of all, I'm thinking that we can merge this into the flight check into the check instructor in the super. So
What? Merge what?
I think we can have something here that goes like register incoming packets. Have packet type packets, and then you would have the same for outgoing. Whoa. What was that?
Wait, are we ever gonna be listening? Or why outgoing?
Hmm?
Do we need outgoing? Oh, right, never mind.
Yes. I don't know actually, but it's there. And this would do that protocol lib thing
Okay, yeah.
and
That's
register
in check version.
this.
So anytime check version is like a new, right? Well, that's gonna register a listener for each player online though too.
Because you initialize a version for every player.
Well, yeah.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
Well, each check is initialized per player, and the check version are initialized
Come
inside the
on.
check.
I don't like this.
You can change if you want.
Also,
have the-
because there's no reference of the user in this check.
Where in check version?
I'm not even passing the user to the check to the speak check A.
Here you are. You're passing
Oh,
it
because
through
I'm
check.
passing the this. Yeah. Fair enough.
In check version, there's a variable called check, which is the parent check. Inside check, that takes a user. You have to pass it. You know what you could do? You could just remove that altogether and have the check version take a user. Right? And then you call that check version for each user.
Why would you do? Why would you do that? Why would you have one thing per user?
That's just the model.
What?
I don't know. Each person has their own tailored thing. It's like, it's like a infrastructure that I haven't really fully used.
Not really, because then you're doing the same thing for every user anyway.
Okay, well, in check version, you can change it. You can remove the user variable from check, and then for the call method in check version, you're gonna have to change callable. Callable will take. Actually, no. Packet event contains the user, the UID. Well, you'd still want to add a user in there. You can access their behavior instead of having to call it yourself. Doing that?
What I'm saying is that, for example, have a check here, and have this check be a check of event and user. And at that point, um,
You know what I'm saying? That you don't have to make it per user.
what I'm saying is that you can pass the user in the check method instead.
Yeah, that's
Since
what I'm
like,
saying. Yeah,
no, don't you agree?
fine. You'd run the same code anyway.
No?
So in the user class, you'd have to remove. Because we're adding in a checklist. We're adding stuff. So you have to remove that. You have to change callable. Oh no, you're just gonna use a new. Wait, you're gonna initialize it for every user anyway.
Sorry.
Your initial, if you want to pass it in the constructor, you said, right? Or in the check method, which one?
Yeah, potentially in the check method. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have just one instance of fly check A.
Yeah, okay. So what you have to do, you have to change callable. The callable class, which contains a packet event. Just add the
So
user.
add checks. Where is this called?
That's in the
Every user.
yeah, in user.
Okay.
You don't have to do. You can just remove that and then initialize it somewhere.
Yeah. So we remove
In the check.
this.
So like speed check has speed check A and speed check B. In that you can just initialize. Actually, it is already. You have to have like a utility class for getting checks, right? Like a check manager, which has a list of all the checks that are enabled.
Yeah. To be sneaky about it, you can also just put it in check class. But yeah, I guess you want
Okay,
to keep
well,
it separate.
as static, yeah, you can. That's fine. I just
I'm
don't
just-
like it. That's model.
Yes. Static.
Singleton, okay. Good, yeah. Fixed list, what's that?
Hmm?
The fixed list.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh, done. Java util jar packed. What? That's weird. I don't have that library. Read for me. Oh no, it's doing the opening speed check.java thing. Oh, it worked.
Oh, is it not loading anymore?
No, I'm in now. It worked. You can check.java?
Hmm?
Never mind.
I'm in check manager.
Cool. Later, once we have the structure fleshed out, we can add a enabled disabled GUI or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then like we'll figure out. Maybe we can just remove the check from the list. Disabled. I'm getting ahead of myself.
Callable.
Oh, core left.
Callable. Oh, did he?
Yeah, I didn't get that little ding.
Yeah, neither did I.
Oh, it popped up on my Discord now. It says streaming.
We got Taeon in.
Show it.
I don't know. Send them the two stream links.
Okay. On my Discord now. It says streaming. Sent them.
Have like a user manager. Oh, you do have a user manager.
I do.
Okay.
Trying to make one.
Huh?
It doesn't really have anything in it. That's because you can see. So planning on storing data in database, like how many alerts they've had before, that kind of thing. Just temporary.
Okay, wait a minute. Can I do something more? Can I do something like more standard than this? What I wanted to do. What is this? Is this just is this a protocol lib class packet adapter? It is, right?
I think so, yeah. I don't know if we've seen that.
Do you have a packet for all this protocol lib stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Listener, right?
Yeah, pack listener.
What I would do would be something like this.
Create our own custom packet.
Nope, not that packet listener. Yeah, this one. Have you ever used this? Yes, you have.
Oh, listener. Oh, you're making your own?
Sorry?
What is packet listener? Oh. Oh, you're just making your own? Ooh.
We have an instance for Space Insight Sheet. Ew. Amazing. Okay.
I did what?
I was asking if you had if you had an instance for the plugin that you do.
Oh.
Let's see. Basically, I want to do this, but I want to say
Oh, you're looping through and sending the packet for each.
yeah, why not?
Well, how do you know?
Did you?
How do you know
Why not?
which checks will have which packets assigned to them? Which check version? Sorry.
Because you're saying that some check versions have different packets from others.
Yeah, it could. If you think they
Mm,
won't, then you don't have to. Like for inventory, if you're like moving something in your inventory, and then what if you're walking while you have your inventory open? Those are two different versions of a check of inventory check. Walking,
Okay.
and yeah. Okay, yeah, that works out. I think it's call. No.
Alright.
Oh, you changed the method? No, never mind. It's callable.
I think we're not gonna need the sending bit.
We can do. Or maybe we can in callable. We can have sending and receiving different methods. I don't know.
You want to do like check in, check out?
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna need the
Just sending, only receiving.
sending one. Yeah.
Okay, sure. All right, because we're not analyzing our data. We're analyzing the data that they're sending to us. Because our data is not going to be suspicious. Their data that is sent to us might be suspicious.
Exactly. Can I get rid of this?
Get rid of what? Packet listener. What? The get check version method?
Actually, I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna say
Oh, that.
wait. Yeah, I'm gonna say that the sending one is an empty whitelist.
Okay. To us
My point was at the end of this, you could do something like this. And then you want to register it. something like this. And now this pull back when a check is executed. What is this? All right, I get it. This is not really relevant anymore because I mean it's not on the same player now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get rid of it for now. This is all to do, so I'm not really doing much damage, right?
Yeah, that's fine. All good.
And then what you would do is the following. Fly check A, for example, wants to. I'm sorry, this is user. Say fly check A wants to register what move packets. What are they? I don't know.
Yeah, move back it.
I don't know how would that be. Just move.
Yeah, just move. For that specifically, yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. When you move, yeah.
Be packet client, right? But it's not called move. It's called something else.
It's I had it in the packet listener class. It's packet type dot play dot client dot position.
Position. Okay. There we go. And then what do you want for speed position as well?
Yeah. Freeze position.
What's the behavior?
Behavior is like a model of for each player. They have their own behavior class. It's like a model of how they're moving, like statistics about them.
All right.
Yeah. You can change that if you want.
I don't know where this is used. Oh, okay, this part. But no. Oh, we don't need this actually. Yeah, I don't think we need this class anymore.
Which one?
Packet listener.
Yeah.
Oh. Tricks. Does it compile? Current viewers 0 at the moment.
Yeah, I didn't watch.
Build failed. What is
Oh, what
going
happened?
on? Not find symbol, calculate certainty. Oh, did I get rid of it? Ah, right. I'm gonna comment this. Not sure what it does. I'm just gonna comment it. What?
Oh, that calculates the certainty of if the player cheating or not.
Okay, but now we don't have a we're not
Not per
keeping
player.
track of
Yeah.
yeah.
You can
I'm
remove that
gonna
then.
comment this as well.
You can just remove it. We'll
What did
redo
you
it.
do? Failed. Oh, I mean,
There's a
sorry.
callback in check version. That is. We can't. Still have user. Oh, never mind. Still different. Oh no, you just put the user and the callback. I was looking at the updated version. I have the outdated one.
Young man. Oh, I'm not supposed to sing, otherwise I get flagged by.
Yeah, I'll get
There
a
you go.
copyright strike. Kidding.
Yeah, that would be stream. Right, pull,
You're pulling? Pushing? What?
pull, 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 pull.
Oh, me? Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Cool.
You done with that?
Yep.
Build. Okay. What do we want to do now?
I don't know. This stream is not really working, is it?
Oh, it's, I don't know. We're just
People
doing
are
it to
not
do it
interested.
instead of, well, we'll see. Put in your status on Discord.
I don't know what the link is. Hang on. Copy video URL. Is this it? It is. Okay. Is it? Maybe it
Oh,
is.
is it? Found it.
Under my
Found it.
status. The stream is not really working.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's my RL friends in here. Probably better not to.
Why not?
I don't know.
No one I'm seeing it.
There's
Ashamed.
been peaks of one user.
I have a
There's
peak of
2
5.
viewers now. Would that
That's
be
it.
you?
I don't know, maybe. Yeah.
Oh, Beacon is downstairs.
What?
Beacon is in Snapchat too. So is
Oh.
Brett and so is Marco.
Wanna go there? Oh, Ranks Force 1 is filled with people.
Sorry?
Ranks Force 1 has people. Dan's in it.
I'll pass.
All right.
Average watch time is 4 minutes and 59 seconds. This is amazing. It's like a pointless. Hello, is this developer rating? Yes, it is. Hello. Wasn't expecting you here. How did you find this link?
I don't see it. Oh no, that was Beakoff. All right. Thought that was like a random person.
I need to find a way to sort of make a sort of have a chat overlay.
Oh, I have that. You have to use something called like Streamlabs. I have you don't have to have different OBS. You just have to log in to Streamlabs and log in with YouTube.
Yeah, I know Streamlabs, but I wasn't talking about putting it on the stream. I want it like on I want it on my screen while I code.
Oh. I have two screens. So I don't have to
I
worry
have
about
two
that.
screens. I could have put the other screen on, but yeah.
I just have OBS, Discord, Slack, and chat. And have the main everything on the other. Alright, do you want to do a fly check?
I just had one this morning.
Oh, fly check. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I wouldn't know how that works. Do we just check if the player is in allow flight mode, or if
Well, you
not,
did,
then
you
we
did,
see if they're above the ground for more than 2 seconds?
Yeah. Well, what did you do? You did a face check. Do you want to do that? Remember? You did a face check.
Yes, in a way, yes.
Okay. Well, we gotta figure out. We gotta think of what somebody could be doing if they're legit. So we have to check if fly is enabled. We have to check, yeah, if they're not descending and above the ground for like more than a second or two. Yeah, 2 seconds is probably fine. Oh, we also have to check their velocity. Because what if they're like on a jump pad, you know? Like on Kit PvP if they're on a jump pad.
Yeah.
They could be going up for like 3 seconds.
Okay, I have bad news for you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Beak subbed. Like, actually, I don't think he did. He didn't. Did you sub, Jacob? I don't think you did.
Me? I did.
I don't know,
Oh,
the
other
other Jacob.
Jacob? Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
great. No, this is not gonna work. We have 2 Jacobs now.
You know, I think I'm older, like on KB.
You are. Yes, I think so. But, bad news is I am falling asleep.
Okay.
Thus, I'm gonna go to bed.
Alright.
So this stream is gonna end
I'm ending too.
just like this. What? Sorry?
I'm gonna end too.
Oh. I wanna do this, but like with an audience.
We gotta build one then.
We gotta build one, yeah.
Advertise all over the you know what server.
Okay.
Alright.
All right.
I'm gonna end then.
Bye.
Bye.
Phoenix
Stream.